If Free Fire keeps crashing on your Android phone, don't worry. I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. First, let's clear the cache and data. Go to your phone settings, then tap on Apps, App Management or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Free Fire from the list and go to Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing the crash. Next, restart your device. A simple reboot can free up RAM and fix small temporary bugs that may be making the game unstable. After that, make sure both the game and your Android version are fully updated. Open the Play Store and check if there is a new update available for Free Fire. Also, go to your phone's system settings and confirm you are running the latest Android OS version. Now check your storage space. Make sure you have at least 200 MB of free space available. If your storage is almost full, the game may crash frequently. You should also close background apps before launching Free Fire. This frees up memory and gives the game more resources to run smoothly. Another important step is updated Google Play services. If it's outdated, it can cause apps to crash. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Google Play services, and check if any update is available, and then update it if needed. If the problem is still there, try reinstalling the app. Delete Free Fire completely, then download and install it again from the Play Store. This can fix corrupted game files. If it's still crashing, check the server status. Sometimes Garena performs maintenance, and during that time the game may not work properly. Also, remove any power restrictions. Go to your battery settings, find Free Fire and set it to no restriction so the system doesn't limit its performance. If none of these steps work, you can try clearing your phone's cache partition, and as a last resort, you may need to perform a factory reset. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.